Hi there 3D printing enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel where we bring you your favourite Pokemon to life with the magic of 3D printing. Today we've got something super sweet for you literally. We're printing Pokémon Bounsweet, that adorable fruit Pokemon from the Alara region. And guess what? The STL is totally free. My design can be downloaded from Thingiverse, Cult 3D and printable. Links in the description. This is a multi-part print. Each colour is printed separately, so you don't need to paint it. Let's talk about why Bounsweet is such a fan favourite. This little Pokemon is not just cute, it is also super resilient and evolves into the amazing Tarina. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest 3D printing adventure. Happy printing and see you next time.